Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoin YouTube channel. I'm your host Mark Khan, and today we're talking Dogecoin as New York Stock Exchange approves Bitwise Dogecoin ETF listing. Looks like the Doge is going on the big Wall Street. What does this mean for investors? What does this mean for Doge investors specifically? That's exactly what we're going to take a look at. Before we do, I got to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today, available in Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. There's a download link in the description box below. Also, take advantage of their pre-sale, guys. Their pre-sales ending in just 1 day and 7 hours. And again, it's one of the best next-gen wallet token available today. Raised over $17.6 million. You get a ton of perks for downloading not just downloading the wallet, but for holding tokens for those who use the wallet, which is pretty great. We love it here on this channel. Plus, they're getting a massive listing on Nyse. So again, pre-market, Best Wallet is coming soon. Again, absolutely fantastic. Someone could rip. Link in the description box below for the wallet and the pre-sale page. Now back to Dogecoin. Dogecoin is also making headlines as the Bitwise launches Dogecoin ETF on the New York Stock Exchange, and it's causing Doge to go on a frenzy. It looks like people are predicting for Dogecoin to reach $5. The Dogecoin cycle is ready to lift off. If history repeats itself, the jump will be massive. We could see a $5 Doge in 2026. Are we actually going to see a $5 Doge? I think more than enough people will be happy if we see Doge claim $1, but $5 just seems extremely out there. But again, is it possible? Could be. We're going to watch this one further. Now back to the New York Stock Exchange. New York Stock Exchange approves Bitwise Dogecoin ETF. Doge edges closer to institutional adoption. Signal raising interest in meme coin by Wall Street. Again, not only is Wall Street getting interested into meme coins, looks like they're getting interested into utility plays and altcoins as a whole. One alt in particular that we've seen a lot of smart money jump into is Bitcoin Hyper. This is another crypto pre-sale product that I've been very bullish for. It's been doing some pretty fantastic things. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, scalability and speed for Bitcoin are finally here. Bitcoin Hyper finally unlocks fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes true power of Bitcoin, payments, meme coins, and dApps. They've reached over $28.5 million in their pre-sale, and in 14 hours actually set to increase their price. So if you want to buy the lowest price, now's a chance to buy, especially the crypto market starting to pump. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. Bitcoin Hyper, link in the description box below. Check it out again in the description. Now, the market up about 3% on the day, fully reclaimed a $3 trillion market cap. Fear ingredients went from extreme fear, still in extreme fear, but went to 18, so getting closer to just fear and potentially neutral. RS gets sitting closer to overbought 57 after being in the low 40s just a couple of days ago. Bitcoin reclaiming 9,000, Ethereum reclaiming 3,000. The markets are starting to pump and people are starting to get excited. Even Doge is up over 2% on the day. On the week, we're still down about 2%, and the month down 22%. Still a decent buying opportunity, especially for those who are bullish for a $1 Doge. At this point, you're looking at more than 6-7x potential. If you really could believe in a $5 Doge, we're looking at so much more gains from here. Now, it's a significant move for crypto markets. The New York Stock Exchange has officially certified its approval for listing the Bitwise Dogecoin ETF. Development marks a new chapter in Dogecoin's journey from internet meme to legitimate financial product accessible through traditional finance. So again, amazing. The ETF approval means investors will soon be able to gain exposure to Doge without directly holding the cryptocurrency. By purchasing shares and Bitwise Dogecoin ETF, investors can track the price of Dogecoin through a regulatory exchange, similar to buying a stock. Okay, so what does this mean for investors in Doge? The listing signals growing confidence in institutional players is even more speculative side of crypto. While Bitcoin and Ethereum have already seen ETF approvals and wide adoption, Dogecoin's entry into the category shows a shift in sentiment, which is starting to look very, very bullish for the dog. Over 4.3 million followers on X. We see spot on the NASDAQ on November 20th. It's just absolutely insane how big this has grown from a simple household meme coin, you know, Elon Musk's favorite meme, to really taking over the crypto world and taking over the New York Stock Exchange. But guys, remember, like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. So I'm not a financial advisor, therefore this is not financial advice. Now that wraps up the video, and I'll see you guys all next one. Until next time, it's friend Umar. Peace.